provide a professional service to competently evaluate the true loss of the claim. We built the business to assist policyholders in navigating the very complex claims process.
So dealing with a claim is very, very stressful. I think part of that is just there's so much unknown for the consumer. They just don't know what to do. They don't know what the next step is. They don't know what's going to happen.
Our goal here is to try to take a traumatic experience for somebody and guide them through the claims process and try to make it a little bit easier on them, especially after a traumatic loss, such as a hurricane or a fire or something along those lines. We started utilizing drones just for photographs and to proving of damages and showing damages and getting to areas where we couldn't get to easily, and using the photographs. We always writing our estimates in the Xactimate estimating software, and so once Geomni came out with their product, it was a no-brainer for us to slide right into it and start utilizing it for our projects.
Because of tools like Geomni, we basically have all of the state-of-the-art technology at our adjusters' fingertips. So not only does it give them that confidence in dealing with the claim, but also, yeah, they can do 10 times more work than they could do without it.
Ultimately, Geomni helps us with our customers and with the insurance company, as it gives us a lot faster turnaround time. Instead of spending weeks to a month drawing a 15-story tall building, we can turn around that drawing report and the renderings within a week.
It enables us to become better prepared to the table to make sure that the consumer is made whole again.